A blanket that I can wear as a robe? Yes, please. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? I just got my flu shot and my arm is a little sore. I hope you guys are all having a great day today. I hope it's spooky. I hope it's everything you want it to be and that you make it to be. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my essentials that I always look for in purchasing Halloween decor for my home. So as I've mentioned before, I'm slowly catching up on hauls. All of these items that I'm sharing with you guys today, I did purchase just the past Halloween season, and I'm really excited because I still have a bunch of stuff out there that I was looking through and I was trying to break it up in different categories, and so I decided to call this one my Cozy Halloween Essentials, my Cozy Halloween Home Decor Essentials, maybe? These are the types of items that I like to purchase and that I think make a big difference if you're not wanting to go crazy. So let's go ahead and get started. My essential number one that I look for when I do some Halloween shopping. When people ask me like what's an easy way to make my space look spooky, make it look Halloweenish, I always recommend pillows. You don't even have to have them out all year round. It's so easy. You can do different slip covers. You can even make your own slip covers. It's easy. It's really cozy. You just throw a few on the couch and it's like, oh wow, look, you have a Halloween couch. So this is one of the pillows that I found just this past Halloween season. I got this one from Christmas Tree. I thought it was really cute. It's pretty reasonably priced. I will say, don't spend a lot on the pillows. If it's like a really good one, sure, but be careful because there are some shops that will upcharge on a pillow and you can get the same thing, if not better, at another place. My favorite place to get pillows at is Burlington. I feel like a lot of people don't look at Burlington as much as the other places, but that's like one of my secret places is Burlington. Check it out next Halloween. You'll find some really cute pillows. As the sparkle on the house, I really liked that. It just says trick or treat. And then the next pillow I found, I really love this one so much. This is also from the Christmas Tree shop. It's this orange one and it's super cute, super comfy. Really simple. It just gets straight to the point. Just has A31 with a spider hanging down and it's kind of like this lettering, like if you have a varsity jacket. I don't know the material of it, but that's what it reminds me of. So cute. These are even good. Throw in a lawn chair on your patio and boom, you have a Halloween patio. Come on. Throw on your bed if you get tired. If you feel like you need to hide your Halloween pillows from your guest, throw the pillows in your bedroom. Next pillow that I found was this jack-o'-lantern one. I believe I also got this from the Christmas Tree shop. Yeah, it's so cute. Just straight to the point, you know? Okay, so the next pillow that I found, rectangle pillow, and as you can see, it just encompasses Halloween. So it says Happy Halloween, and then you have, it's like a little Halloween map, just broom forest, travel down by some spooky houses, through the cemetery, Dracula's castle. It's so cute. You just have all of these little Halloween pictures that are just so adorable. These are more like snuggling pillows. I don't know if you guys have heard, but it's this brand called Squishmallows and they are so soft, like marshmallow, and I found this one at TJ Maxx. I have a smaller one, a smaller candy corn pillow, and that was the first Squishmallow pillow I have ever experienced, and I was just like, wow, it's so soothing and comforting. It's just really nice. So I found this jack-o'-lantern, so soft and just really squishable. This is a good pillow to sit on the couch watching your favorite spooky movies, snuggling in bed while it's raining with the candle lit. I also found another Squishmallow pillow. This is a witch. I found her at TJ Maxx. She is so soft. She's actually softer and feels a little bit better than the jack-o'-lantern. I call her Witchy. I snuggled with her a few times on the couch and I was like, wow, this is just really soothing. It's like a comfort pillow. Just kind of lowers your stress level, you know? It's so comfortable and so cute. It just makes me feel like a little kid. Essential item number 2, blankets. blankets. You guys, if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I have so many Halloween blankets, too many to where not all of them get used, and so they end up smelling musty, and I should probably pack them up and just rotate them out, I think, just to, I don't know, keep the quality of them. Blankets. You can add a Halloween throw blanket on your bed. Boom, it's spooky. Throw some lights up, it's spooky. You can throw a blanket on a chair. Usually I will find my blankets at TJ Maxx, also at Home Goods. Target will have some, but usually it's a little bit smaller and the quality, it's not as great as the TJ Maxx ones. And I mean, they're throw blankets, not like they're comforters or anything like that, but for the price, you can't beat it. So this one was $10 and it's just super soft, very cozy, very just, it feels so good. This one is white. I try to stay away from the white just because of Raven. She sheds a lot and she has black hair, so it gets over everything. She's over there. She's not liking it because I've been stealing her pillows and her blanket. I have a few more I need to show you guys that I got recently. Found this one, I believe was at Burlington, a dog themed one. Just little cute dogs and little Halloween costumes with some candy corn. This is so cute. It's good for fall just because it's more of the tan and white. Halloween too, obviously, but I feel like there's different color palettes for autumn and Halloween. Next one is a buffalo check pattern, also known as like checkered board, and this one has jack-o'-lanterns on it. This I also got from Burlington. I know that this pattern is really popular come like fall and like with farmhouses, I feel like. I think I personally just got it because of the jack-o'-lantern, and then since it's black checkered, I feel like it'll kind of hide a little bit of Raven's hair. The next blanket that I found was this gray one. This is a good blanket. So usually the ones that I can find are about $9, $10. If they're a little bit bigger, a tish heavier, usually it's like $12.99 to $14.99, which is definitely worth the upcharge on that because you're going to use it more. It's going to be more comfortable. A witch potion theme, some spider webs, some jack-o'-lanterns, some spell books, some potion bottles. Spooky, spooky. Next blanket I found was this plush throw. This one was from Christmas Tree Shop, and it's just a white blanket. You have some jack-o'-lanterns, some candy corn, and also some little bats. You can see the patterns right here. So I found this blanket from Target, and I just kind of want to show you the difference in quality. I used to buy the Target blankets. I feel like they haven't had a lot of variety with the Halloween patterns anyways. As you can see, this is a throw blanket from Target from their Hide and Eek collection. This one was $10. It's super light, really light. Compared to something like this, guys, that's just a few more dollars. It's heavier, softer. No offense, Target, I love you. That's just to kind of compare. These are the types that I usually buy. These are good to put like in cat beds, dog beds, cribs, baby beds. I think, I don't know, can babies use blankets? I don't know. Use at your own discretion. This blanket is new too, I just remembered it. It's super soft, really orange. I love it. Do you ever see like just any kind of blanket, even if it's a solid blanket, you'd be surprised how much that creates like a little cozy Halloween space for you. A few years ago, I found some really cute sheets from TJ Maxx. They will sometimes have like some skeleton sheets. This year I found a lot of Charlie Brown and Snoopy sheets. Whenever you go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, definitely check out their bedding because they might just have Halloween sheets during non-season. I was using a sheet set that I found from Target that was white, black, orange skeletons on it, but the majority of the sheets were white. Since I've gotten them, they've gotten dingy. I decided to pick up this queen sheet set that I found just this past Halloween season, the Peanuts collection. I liked this because it's gray, so I feel like it'll be fine for Raven. I also got a new comforter, like a new bedspread from Target, and I'm really wanting to buy a headboard before I get my little Halloween bed back. I really miss my Halloween bed so much. Although I have the sheets and like a blanket, it's just not like how I used to have, where I would have like so many layers of blankets, so many pillows. It would just look like a Halloween a Halloween queen's bed. And I want that back. This sheet set was $20. So you get the queen flat sheet, fitted sheet, and then also 2 standard pillowcases. Oh, that reminds me, you will find Halloween pillowcases throughout the year at TJ Maxx. Just look. I have a few. Oh, they're so cute. They're more like pink and purple, and they make me feel like a little Halloween ghoul. Moving on to my essential number 3, rugs. If you can find even an orange rug, even a black rug, even a striped rug, whatever your theme is for that space, even just a solid rug will amp it up a little bit more and make you feel more spooky. A few years ago, maybe like 5 years ago, Target had some really cute rugs. You guys have probably seen a few of the sets on my Instagram if you follow me. There's the ones in my bathroom that I really love. It's like a big jack-o'-lantern and then also a boo rug, and they're really cute. They're great bath mats. I've had them for so long. And then I also found the same year Target had some pick your poison rugs that I use in the kitchen usually. And then also I feel like there's those. It's like pick your potion, and then I think I have another set of spider webs, which just reminds me I should switch those out. Yeah, I like using rugs. It makes everything more cozy and just warm, especially laying a rug in your kitchen in front of the fridge, in front of the sink where you normally would lay a rug. Even having it on your bedside where you put your feet on the floor and put your little Halloween slippers by it. Be so cute. Little lamp. Okay, anyway, do it. I recommend it. It will change the space. So with that being said, here are the rugs that I found this Halloween season. So there's a few different rugs. So I feel like these are more of a shoe rug. I don't know the technical term. The rug where it's just, you can tell, like, see, you already know what kind this is. Accent rug? I guess so, yeah. But this one is just a really thin one. Sometimes they can be too heavy, but I found this one at Christmas tree shop. I had the idea of putting this in front of my record player. I like bath rugs more than I do that type of rug. You guys probably saw this one all over Instagram last Halloween season. It was a really popular one from Kohl's. It's the jack-o'-lantern rug. It's so cute. I love bath rugs so much. I love this one. It's so plush, so vibrant, so colorful. They usually will put them on sale before October and then again after October. You can probably even snag it with a coupon. Their prices are really expensive and unnecessary. This rug was $35. I got it on sale. Okay, so let's go ahead and recap my essentials when buying Halloween decor for your home. I also have a bonus for you guys, but before we get to that, I just want to recap my essentials. So essential number 1 is pillows. Number 2 is blankets. Number 3 is bath rugs or kitchen rugs, area rug, whatever, a rug. I can't tell you guys how happy it makes me when I go into my bathroom. A lot of you have seen it on Instagram. A lot of you guys love my Halloween bathroom. Although it's not up to like my decorating part, it sure is really amazing still. Makes me feel happy when I go in there and I get ready for the day. Makes me feel spooky and relaxed when I take my weekly bubble bath and light some candles. If you can find a rug, a bath rug, definitely decorate your bathroom. It's such a small space to start with if you seem to be overwhelmed with decorating. Here's my bonus essential. Are you guys ready? Robes. Guys, if you don't know about that robe life, you are missing out. You're missing out. Halloween pajamas, Halloween robes. I could sleep in this. So in the past few years, I've become a robe ghoul. A ghoul that lives in robes, a ghoul that feels great in robes. So I'm into the robe life, hashtag robe life, hashtag robes for days. I wasn't really looking for it, but when I was at TJ Maxx, I found this one, a blanket that I can wear as a robe. Yes, please. I haven't used it yet. I forgot that I had it, but I'm really looking forward to using it, especially just on those chilly days, fall days. It's really comfy. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of looks like a onesie too. So if you can find some Halloween PJs, which I have a few pairs of those, just keep an eye out. Instead of just buying all the Halloween stuff, be more intentional about it. I mean, how comfy do I look right now, drinking my coffee in a Halloween robe? Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I tried to put a little different spin rather than just showing you guys just the stuff that I purchased last year. Stay tuned because I do have a few more things that I need to share with you that I found this past Halloween season. Let me know in the comments below what's something that you look for when you are building your Halloween collection. Let me know which essential of mine is your favorite. Follow me on Instagram at Halloween Happy. I also have a Facebook page. All my links are listed down below. If you liked this video, please help me out and give it a thumbs up. Please just comment anything so YouTube knows someone is watching my videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Even if you watch the videos and you aren't subscribed, why aren't you subscribed? Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you watching. I love you guys so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!